Searching for a generic best AI video generator in 2026 is a highly effective way to burn your production budget. The market has completely fractured. We are no longer dealing with general-purpose video editors. The landscape has split into highly specialized silos. Buying a $300 a month enterprise avatar tool for a faceless YouTube short makes as much sense as buying a tractor to commute to an office. If you lock into the wrong annual subscription, you will rapidly bleed through AI credit systems, trying to force the software to do something it wasn't built for. To protect your budget and avoid fighting a hostile user interface, you have to prioritize workflow alignment over a massive feature count. We can organize 14 platforms into a unified framework to reveal your exact pipeline. This chart plots the market. The horizontal axis measures automation, from manual editing to full prompt-to-publish generation. The vertical axis tracks on-camera presence, from faceless B-roll up to photorealistic human avatars. Plotting the major competitors immediately clusters them into 4 distinct pipelines. Identifying which of these 4 quadrants fits your daily output instantly eliminates 75% of the wrong choices on the market. We start in the high-automation, faceless quadrant. These are the faceless social engines, built for users who publish content daily but refuse to step in front of a lens. The inputs here require zero camera gear. You type a single text prompt, paste a script, or drop in a blog URL. The software automatically cuts together a completed video, generating the visual B-roll, applying a synthetic voiceover, and timing the captions. Vidnoz AI dominates here by leveraging raw generative models like Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 to build cinematic scenes from scratch. Pictory takes a different route, focusing on precise transcription matching against massive stock footage libraries to convert written articles into video. The trade-off for this high-speed automation is precision. You lose the ability to make granular, frame-by-frame adjustments to your scene cuts. That lack of control hides a drain on your wallet. When the AI hallucinates a scene or selects mismatched stock footage, you have to spend your limited monthly credits regenerating the visual until it gets it right. Faceless social engines are essential if your business model relies on publishing volume. If you require exact visual storytelling, you need a different tool. Moving to the high-automation, high-presence quadrant, we find the avatar presenters. These platforms are engineered to replace human talent, studio lighting, and reshoots. You select a digital persona, feed it a script, and trigger an instant output of a presenter talking to the camera, with the option to localize their speech into over 100 languages. HeyGen commands a premium monthly cost by delivering ultra-photorealistic microexpressions. Alternatively, platforms like Kreado AI and Vidboard offer massive volume and lifetime deals for a fraction of that price. If you opt for the budget platforms, you accept a visual compromise. The avatars display slightly robotic movements during fast speech or complex emotional cues. If you opt for the premium platforms, you accept a financial compromise. High per-minute generation costs will rapidly drain your budget if you try to process 30-minute long-form videos. Avatar generators successfully bypass the camera bottleneck, but they are only cost-effective if multilanguage localization or high-volume corporate presentation is your primary objective. Our third pipeline is highly specialized. E-commerce ad cloners, dominated by tools like Topview AI, serve the performance marketer. You don't write a script, you paste a product URL directly from Shopify or upload a viral TikTok video to use as a structural reference. The AI video agent analyzes the pacing and hooks of the reference, pulls your product images, and outputs a ready-to-publish, user-generated style ad. This entirely bypasses the traditional logistics of advertising. You eliminate the need to source actors, ship physical product samples, or draft ad copy. The limitation is built into the workflow. The quality of your final ad relies completely on how well your specific product fits into these pre-trained viral templates. If you sell a highly technical or unusual product, the system will struggle to generate a coherent ad without heavy, manual prompt iteration from you. Ad cloners are pure performance marketing engines. They are ineffective for nuanced brand storytelling, but highly efficient for rapid A/B testing. Our final quadrant covers text-based editors and corporate suites. These are built for dialogue-heavy creators and enterprise teams with strict compliance rules. For creators, Descript allows you to edit a video by simply highlighting and deleting text within an automated transcript. For corporate teams, a cool Vidnoz and AI.io allow you to build interactive training videos in bulk and export them as SCORM packages directly into a learning management system. Enterprise users pay premium monthly fees, often scaling past $100 to $300, specifically to subsidize massive security infrastructure like ISO and SOC 2 compliance. These purpose-built workflows abandon standard editing toolkits. You cannot perform advanced color grading or build keyframe motion graphics here. These tools drastically lower the skill floor for producing talking head content, but they will frustrate traditional editors looking for cinematic control. Your decision comes down to the source material you already have and the total output volume you need to produce. Answer 3 questions on this decision tree. Do you have footage? Want to be on camera? Have zero budget? For Faceless daily shorts, follow the no camera route to NVIDIA AI or Fliki. If you already have footage, route directly to Descript. Following these input pathways prevents you from paying for enterprise compliance on a simple TikTok video and stops you from fighting basic prompt generators on a global marketing campaign. If you are an absolute beginner and you want to test AI avatars and text-to-video capabilities without spending a single dollar, there is one very clear starting point. Vidnoz AI is the optimal zero-risk entry point. Their free plan provides permanent access to 1,800 avatars, text-to-video generation, and 720p exports at zero cost. To get that access, you have to accept watermarked exports and noticeably slower processing speeds while your video sits in a server queue. Accepting those trade-offs provides a vital education. You learn how AI video workflows actually function, which prevents making expensive mistakes before committing a credit card to premium platforms like HeyGen or InVideo.